So when we go to a new place, there are many things we need to be prepared for. For example, when you go to a new country and if you go to a restaurant, there are many things you need to be prepared for. One thing is to pay the bill. So, in order to pay, we need to know certain basic things about the place. Now, for example, I have some information here about how the people pay their bills in France. So, let us read this and understand. L'euro. You know that the currency of France is the euro. L'euro est la monnaie de la France. So, the euro is the currency. So, first we need to know what is the currency. L'euro est la monnaie de la France et de beaucoup de pays, and also for most of the countries d'Europe. So, most of the countries of Europe have euro as their currency. So, that is the first thing we need to know. The next thing is, pour une somme de mois, for a sum, for a total, the more the this euro for less than 10 euros. So, if the bill or the ticket, the bill is less than 10 euro, on pay presque toujours, one pays almost always and on espèces. So, when the sum is less than 10 euros. So, you must know the method of payment as well. So, if the sum is less than 10 euros, always they pay in cash. Pour une somme de plus de 50 euros, for a total of more than 50 euros. So, if you see the use of the words moins and plus. So, pour une somme de plus de 50 euros, one pays suivante par chèque, by check, ou par carte bancaire, or by card. So, either they pay by check or by card. So, if the bill is less than 10 euros, the moins de 10 euro, we pay in cash. If it is plus de 50 euro, you will pay by check or by card. Les Français, the French, utilisent beaucoup le chèque. They use the checks often. So, this is some basic information you need to know when you go to a new place. For example, you go to a restaurant and you need to pay. So, you need to know what is the currency, what is the method of payment. So, in this case, you know that if the bill is less than 10 euros, you pay in cash. If it is more than 50, you pay by check or by card. And les Français utilisent beaucoup le chèque. Next, we are going to see some of the expressions like how to ask for the price, etc. So, these are the expressions you will be using when you are buying or paying for things.